How to replace the covers on the repose chair. So we start by fully extending the chair. We do that so we have clear access to all three covers. Firstly, we start with the backrest. Just unpeel the Velcro. Next, the seat base. And lastly, the leg rest. Now, depending on which model, it'll either be Velcro or zipped underneath. Start with the leg rest itself. Fold that under, like so. I like to point out we've got 2 strips of Velcro, which needs to line up with the 2 strips at the front of the seat base. A little bit of stretch. The seat base, labelled to the back, once again, fits in snugly on the seat base. And finally, start with the top of the seam of Velcro, which slips on the back, and then roll it down the chair. Perfect. There you have a fully functional replacement set of covers for your repose chair. And we'll forward. Thank you.